Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable mobile hotspot on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, go to the settings. In the settings, go to network and internet, then go to mobile hotspot. Then you can enable mobile hotspot, and you can when it's disabled, you can change what to share your internet connection from. So it's gonna either be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So when it's set to Wi-Fi, it will actually take the Wi-Fi network it's connected to, and it's gonna just repeat it as your mobile hotspot. But let's before enabling it, let's click on edit here, and I'm gonna edit the name and the password. And you can also change the network band and click on save. And now when I enable it, it should be available on my other devices, and it works as a repeater for my router. So let's see. As you can see, there is this network, I can connect to it. I think this is the password, yes, and it connects, and it now uses the network. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.